So if you have a touchscreen Dell laptop and for some reason it's not working, I'm going to show you how to enable the touchscreen on your laptop. So you can see currently it's not working, even though I know this particular laptop is a touchscreen laptop. So to enable the touchscreen function, simply go to any file explorer window, then go to the left hand side and find this PC. You want to select it, right click on it, and then select manage. If you can't see manage, go and click on show more options and then look for manage and click on it. That's going to open up your computer management window. Now from here, you want to click on device manager. And then under device manager, you're basically looking for this option here. Let me just highlight it. This option called human interface device. So you want to click on this arrow next to human interface devices basically, and then you're looking for HID compliant touchscreen. So this is the option you're looking for. So select it once to highlight it, and then right click on it and then select enable device. Now if it's enabled, now your touchscreen should start working, because that's the option to enable the touchscreen. Now, if you've enabled and it's still not working, you might want to go right click on it again and then click on update driver. And you can search online or you can browse your computer for any drivers you might have and make sure you update them so that your touchscreen works. But normally, just enabling makes the touchscreen just start working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.